Time signatures. Time signatures are fractions written at the beginning of the staff, after the clef and key signature. They tell you how the music is to be counted. Time signatures consist of two numbers. The top number indicates the number of beats in a measure or bar. A measure is the space between two vertical bar lines on a staff. The bottom number tells you what kind of note receives one beat. 4/4 time signature. 4 beats per measure. A quarter note receives 1 beat. For example, in a 4/4 time signature, the 4 at the top tells you that there are 4 beats in a measure, while the 4 at the bottom tells you that a quarter note receives a beat. 4/4 really means that there are 4 quarter note beats per measure. It means that the notes in a measure can add up to no more than 4 quarter notes. For example, you can have a half note and 2 quarter notes, or 3 quarter notes and 2 eighth notes, or a dotted half note and a quarter note, as long as the notes add up to 4 quarter notes. Most songs are in 4/4 time. 4/4 time is so common that it is often designated by the letter C on the staff. The C stands for common time. It's simply another way of saying 4/4 time. The most common time signatures are 4/4 and 3/4 time signatures. In a 3/4 time signature, the 3 at the top tells you that there are 3 beats in a measure, while the 4 at the bottom tells you that a quarter note receives 1 beat. 3/4 means that there are 3 quarter note beats per measure. The notes in a measure must add up to 3 quarter notes. No matter what the time signature is, the notes in every measure must equal to the number of beats in the measure. For example, in a 3/4 time signature, you can have any combination of notes as long as they add up to 3 quarter notes. In a 3/4 time signature, you can have 3 quarter notes, but you can have 1 quarter note and 1 half note, or a dotted half note, or 2 eighth notes and 2 quarter notes. It really doesn't matter. The point is that it must add up to a duration of 3 quarter notes per measure. No more and no less.